Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, April 13, 2022. And before we get started, I wanted to give one last reminder that we are hosting an auto trading webinar today after the close at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And everyone's invited to it. If you are interested in learning about our auto trading program, it auto trades the S&P 500 futures in your account, hands-free, broker overseeing the entire process for you. We'll be talking about that this afternoon. We'll tell you about the results. The results have been very strong this year, and that will be at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you want to join us, there's a link below this video. It's investiquant.com/webinar. You go there, you fill out your name and email, and if you got any questions, you can give us your questions in here to make sure we get to them at the end of the webinar, and you will be registered and can join us after the close today. So we hope to see you all there. All right, let's hop into today's study. Today is the day before options expiration. So we're going to take a look at what has happened on this day historically in a weaker market. We're coming off some selling pressure here recently. So let me get this set up. We've got all the instruments selected. The setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now we are trading higher in the overnight session, so I'm going to add that by going to opening filters, gap direction, gap up. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library, and I'm going to say yesterday closed below a 200-day simple moving average. I'll grab that from the active today, or you can grab it right here. I'm just going to use the 200 because I do want to keep as many samples as possible, and under the 200 the samples start to fall off. So we're just using one here today, and then I'm going to go to the market events. I'm going to say that today is the day before option expiration. Let me go ahead and click on that. Now that has been included in the test. It comes from our day before category here, somewhere in here. There it is, down here. Now I can click view results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when it is the day before options expiration day. The prior day closed below a 200-day simple moving average, and the current day, which is the day before OPEX, is gapping up. So the open is above the prior day closing price. Historically, we've got 28 samples in the S&P, 24 in the NASDAQ, 29 in the Dow, 33 in the Russell. Win rates on these are a little mixed, with the S&P and NASDAQ being a little weaker. So S&P, 39% of these have closed above the open for the day. For the NASDAQ, just 33%. The Dow, 52%. The Russell, 48%. If we look at the average moves, very similar in size for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a larger average loss. The Dow, a larger average win. The Dow has a larger average loss, and the Russell has a larger average loss. So we're kind of mixed here on average moves. 2 of the 4 have been a little bit weaker. This day, generally, when it's not below the 200, is a bit stronger, but below the 200-day simple moving average, it does get quite a bit weaker than the normal bias on the day before OPEX. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We'll see you next time.